Namaskar friend, this is Siddharth Gupta and you are watching Microfungi Mushroom Expert official YouTube channel. Friend, today we are going to discuss how to start a mushroom farming business, the 10 step toward a mushrooming success. As you know, the exotic mushroom industry has a promising future, gaining momentum as a versatile ingredient that is in the food category and it is also an immunity booster. So friend, let us start with point number one. The point number one is location. Mushroom cultivation requires little land. You can set up a unit in a 20 by 20 square feet area, producing almost 50 kgs of mushroom per week. It is a low investment small business where you can start to make profit within a few weeks, most probably 4 to 5 weeks. When a business scale up, you can rent a small building. As slowly as you grow, you can rent a small building. So the location of your farm has to be very crucial. Bringing the raw material, producing the mushroom, and again selling it back to the market. So the location has to be a genuine one which can help you to grow your business. The second one is gaining experience. The cultivation of mushroom requires study and experience. You must learn about the science and technology of mushroom growing. There are many online and offline courses you can join because mushroom is a scientific agriculture product. It's a scientific farming. It requires to know many critical points, small points. They are very much important for the cultivation of mushroom. So gaining experience is must. You have to study, you require experience. As you experience, you gain. As you start doing mushroom farming and as you clear your hands, you start knowing about the mushroom, the experience you gain from the problems that you have created or has been created by biotic or abiotic factors. You will be able to learn from that mistakes that has been done while you were experiencing or you were doing the mushroom farming. So gaining experience is must. You must take a training from a reputed or a person who knows well about mushroom, from him or from an institute that can provide you with all type of facility and information about how to cultivate a mushroom and which mushroom to cultivate and when to cultivate. Friends, then there is a third point is the collection of spawn. Spawn is very important. Every step in mushroom farming is very important. So while you select your area, your experience, now you have to select the spawn, the seed that is called. Because mushroom doesn't have seed, they have mycelium. It is just like a sperm of a human being. So the mycelium is made to grow on a substrate and it is provided as a spawn to the farmer to grow mushroom. So you require a good quality of spawn, which variety you are using, which type you are using, what is the requirement of that particular strain. You should know all this. So the spawn collection, from where to collect this spawn, you should have a vendor, a manufacturer, a producer who produces spawn, good quality spawn. There are a variety of spawn, Jenison spawn, first, second, third. There is pure liquid culture spawn, plug spawn, and different type of spawn. But in India, we basically go for grain spawn. People are used to this type of spawn because in India the mushroom market is very new. If you uh, differentiate it between the Western people or the Chinese, the Indian market is very, very young for the mushrooms. So there is a long way to go for mushroom, not only in India but throughout the world. So you need to know the each and every minute detail of mushroom cultivation, pre-harvesting, post-harvesting, disease and pest management, the daily required management, how to manage the air, CO2, oxygen, temperature, humidity, light. These are the basic requirement and you need experience to overcome any problem related to this point. After spawn, the fourth point is the material required. What you required for the mushroom? You required a bucket or a drum for during the for dipping the sack of the straw for your mushrooms, and different type of mushroom. Button mushroom require different thing, and oyster mushroom require different. Paddy require different. Shiitake, Ganoderma require different. Milky require different. Oyster require different. So now you have to see what material is required, and if you have taken training or you have an experience, then only you can know that what is the requirement of that particular mushroom. So the material required, you must know, that is the fourth point. Now the fifth point is food for mushroom. Mushroom cultivation is part of a circular industry where wastage product can become an income stream. The mushroom growing medium or substrate is a byproduct of growing grains and lignin. Mushroom like to have you have to buy organic softwood fuel pellet, wood chip and soya hull, that you have to mix these two ingredients in a biodegradable bag and then add water to get the right moisture content. So, as the fifth point is that you need food for mushrooms. Now, everybody need food. If you are a living being, maybe you are a plant, an animal, or a human being, or any organism, living organism on this planet Earth, you need something to survive. So, when mushrooms start growing, they do require certain system, certain priority requirement are there for their growth. So you have to look for the supplement, the temperature, as I told you earlier. Everything is been needed that help the mushroom to grow. They help the mycelium to colonize and start growing. So you need food, and this all you can only get the information if you have taken training or you have read anywhere. So it is very much required important point, that is point number 5. Food for mushroom. Process of growing mushroom. Every mushroom, this is the sixth point, the process of growing mushroom. Every mushroom growing process is not the same. Their life cycle, the way they grow, the required temperature or humidity, the required medium to grow are different. This is real that all mushroom, not all, but percentage of mushroom, they required certain thing to grow. So you have to provide them certain thing, and the process is different. You can use organic process for some mushroom, in some there is chemical process, in some there is semi-organic process. Now you have to find out which mushroom grows the best way to grow your mushroom. The seventh point, choose the type of mushroom. Which mushroom you are going to grow? Shiitake, loin oyster, button, paddy, Ganoderma, cordyceps, turkey tail. Which mushroom you want to grow? Pink oyster, there are a lot of variety in oyster. So you need to know that which mushroom you want to grow, which mushroom is in demand, which mushroom can be grown in the temperature that it at present at your place. These are the information required. The eighth number is care and handling. Mushroom is like a small infant, human infant. So handling and caring is like caring an infant child. So you need to have a very persistence, um, very patience while dealing with mushroom. Mushroom are very small. But as in human infant, they cry or they show some sign of problem. But in mushroom, they won't be able to show you any sign. So you have to judge that what has happened to your child. That is your mushroom. Now the ninth point is selling of the mushroom. The market is very under supply. The demand is more than the supply at present. So you need to calculate, you need to do the marketing, you need to provide the information to the public, your customer, your consumer, who will be the last one to make a recipe and have it as a food. So you must provide information about recipe, about the health benefit of mushroom and other priority to help your business to grow. Let the people know about mushroom, the information, and hope your business will grow. 10th point is that you should make the product convenient to use. The packaging and the preparing of the items, how you need to package. You can make a whole mushroom, you can slice it out, or you can can it, brine it, dry it, powder it. So different how you going to market your product, you have to know about that. And the last point is the 11th point, making an extra buck. There are many small business idea based on mushroom. You can sell mushroom spawn to other grower. You're growing mushroom, you can also bring mushroom spawn from a wholesaler and provide to your local people who want to grow mushroom or have an hand-on experience on growing of mushroom. So you can provide spawn and have an extra income. There will be an additional income. You can also sell grow kit. You can provide all the material, growing material at one place, and you can provide it as a kit. In that also you can earn extra bucks, extra money for the people kid for the first time grow and help the mushroom grow very fast. There is a tremendous export opportunity for these in country like UK, Australia and New Zealand. You can export it to foreign destination also. You can try value added product, candy, um, and other product, cookies, jam, sausage, jelly, and many other products you can make from mushrooms, uh, and you can work it with very cool comfort and patience of mind. Then only you can survive in a market. It is very sabotage. So there are many ways to um, monetize your business, your ideas through mushroom. And the last one is the challenges. You have to accept all the challenges. Mushroom growing is a future idea, it's most profitable, and mushroom is the food of future and a superfood. It has all the ingredients to make a human happy and healthier. So friend, today we come to the concluding of this episode and hope you will gain from this video, which I tried to focus and make it in an English language so that I can give my information to more and more people worldwide. Thank you, friend. Good night. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please kindly comment, share, like, and promote it. Thank you very much. Good night. Shabba Khair, Subh Ratri, Namaskar. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.